Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're concerned about your online privacy and want to remove your personal information from the internet in 2025, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share the latest Incogni coupon codes that help you protect your privacy while saving money. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to get started. Let's be honest. Your personal data is everywhere online, from marketing lists to public databases, and it's not easy to remove it manually. That's where Incogni comes in. Incogni automatically contacts data brokers to remove your personal information and keep it private, saving you time, stress, and potential risks. Here's why Incogni is worth it in 2025. Automatic data removal removes your personal info from hundreds of data brokers. Full transparency. Track your removal requests and see results in real time. Secure and confidential. Your data stays safe while they handle the process. Time saving. No need to contact dozens of companies manually. Peace of mind. Regain control over your personal information. Now let's talk about the Incogni coupon codes for 2025. Incogni 20% off your first subscription. Privacy 25, 25% off annual plans, save $50 off long-term subscriptions. Remove info 10, extra 10% off for new users. Incogni 2025 unlocks the best seasonal discount available this year. If any of these codes don't work, don't worry. I've included a special affiliate link in the description that automatically applies the best available Incogni discount, so you'll always get the lowest price. Here's a pro tip. Start with the annual plan using one of these codes. It provides the most comprehensive coverage and ensures your personal info stays removed all year. So that's it. If you want to take control of your online privacy and remove your personal information from the internet, click the link in my description to claim your Incogni coupon code today. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more privacy tools and online safety tips, and comment below. What personal info would you most like to remove? Remember, your personal information is valuable, and with Incogni coupon codes, you can protect your privacy at the best price in 2025.